It's a hot summer day and you're craving a refreshing drink that just reminds you of home. Enters Zobo, but not the way that you know it. Not the hours of boiling and then straining and then cooling. This is my instant Zobo tea. Simple steps to make instant Zobo tea. And you can have it warm or cool, depending on how you like it. So, you start with 1 bag of the perfect blend of Zobo, hibiscus, pineapple, and traditional spices into a pitcher, 500 ml of boiling water, then your favorite sweetener to taste. I'm using sugar, you can use honey. Depending on how sweet you like it, 1 or 2 will do. Give it a good stir and then let sit for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is all you need for this Zobo tea. Zobo has steeped for 10 minutes and now we can do whatever we like with it. The basic way to drink this is to just add some more ice and top it up to the 1 liter level. Each bag makes 1 liter worth of drink. But if you're leaving it at this double concentrated level, you can then use it to make fun things like cocktails and jelly. So I'm going to show you how to make jelly. All you need is a packet of gelatin. Now the instructions on this one say you need 500 ml of liquid to a packet of gelatin. And it so happens I have double concentrated Zobo 500 ml. So I'm going to just open up a packet as the instructions have said. Pour that into the mix. At this point, I can take out the bag and give it a really good stir. You can see just how concentrated it is. You have to stir it really thoroughly so that the gelatin sort of dissolves and it gives you an even jelly. I put this away. Give it a good mix, and this is nice for the kids, but you can also make it a bit more adult. I'll show you how. But let's start with the kid version, shall we? So that's all thoroughly mixed now. I'm just going to put this one aside, and now I'm going to fill what I have here, which is sort of a mold. You can use ice mold, really, any kind of mold that you have to hand. I just happen to have this from some of my impulse purchases. So that's 1 mold done. So I've put it in a tray. This is the tray that will go into the refrigerator so that I don't have to move it around. But yeah, that's it. And once it comes out, it's going to be a lovely Zobo jelly ball ready for dessert. Thanks for watching.